study the following patterns. In each case, write the next. Next 3 steps. So we have to write 3 steps here. See this one. So this is one pattern they have given. So 1100 that divides with 3, you get here 37. 222 divides with 6, you get here, again you get here 37 only. 333 divides with 9, you get here 37 only. So 444 by dividing with 12, again you are getting 37. This is your pattern, right? Your answer you are getting is 37 only. But here increasing by, okay, 1100, it is increasing. If you observe here, 1100 is increasing here. 111, right? See, next one, if you observe here we are dividing with 3, next with 6, next with 9, next with 12. If you observe here, these are multiples of 3, right? Multiples of 3. So you have multiples of 3. From this you can blindly write next 3 steps. See, first one. So 111 increasing here, right? So after adding 111 to 444, it will become 555. So next multiple, 3 ones 3, 3 2 6, 3 3s 9, 3 4s 12. See, so here first one is increasing by 111, that is divided by multiples of 3, 3 into 1. First 3 into 1, after that 3 into 2, right? Like that. For this one, 3 into, this must be 5, that is 15, right? So as it is, here also you are getting 37. So instead of this one, directly I am writing 15 here. Okay. So how it comes? See, by adding 1100 and dividing with 111, by dividing with 3 into 5, you are getting same number. So this is your pattern here. See the next one. Again to this number you have to add 111. See, now by adding 111 to 555, you get here 666. After that, so what we have done? After that, 3 into 5 completed. Now multiple of this is 3 into 6. As usual, you have to get here 37. So 3 into 6, 3 6 are 80. So your answer is 37 only. After that, same thing. What we have to do? Extend. We have to add 111. After that, we have to multiply. 6 completed. Next 7. Next natural number, that is 7. So you get the same number only here. So by adding 111, you will get here 777. That is divides with 3 into 7. That is 21. You get here 37 only. Like that you can write many number of steps like that. Okay. So this is your solution. Remaining 3 steps. So you have to write 3 steps, right? So 5, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 steps. Okay. So we can extend this pattern like this. Okay. If you see the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. 2, 9. 5, 6, 7, 9 into 27. So like that they have given. We have to write the remaining numbers. So if you observe here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 they have not given. So after that 9 given. So as it is 5, 6, 7, 9. This number is repeating here. If you observe this one, after this one 9, you can say these numbers are 9 multiples, right? This is 9 into 1, right? 9 into 1. This means 9 into 2, right? This is 9 into 3. And this is 9 into 4. Obviously, next step will be 9 into 5. 9 5s, 45. So here also, if you observe here, 1. Ones they have given. After that, 2 numbers. After that, with 3. 3, 3, 3. After that 4, 4, 4s. So you can also take like this 9 into 1. 9 ones they have given. So next number 2. 9 twos. Next number we are multiplying with 3. So 3 and 3 9 times 3 they have given. Next 4. You have to write 4 9 times. Now see, we are doing with 5, right? So 5 5 5. We have to write 5 9s here. That is our pattern. Okay, that is our pattern. So why these patterns are very useful means, without doing any calculation, without doing any heavy calculation, by simply observing these patterns, we can write the solution here. You will get this answer you will get, if you multiply this one with this one, you get this answer only. Okay, so by doing this heavy multiplication, we are following these patterns. This is one step, and the second step, see this one again, as it is I am writing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 as it is. 9 into 5, so this must be 9 into 6. 9 6 54. Okay, 54. So 6 with 6 I am multiplying here, so I am writing 6s, that is 9 6s. So 9 6, so I am following this pattern. 9 6s I am writing here. This is your second step. Okay, so next step will be as it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 into 9 into 6 we have done here. The next one will be 9 into 7. 9 sevens 63. So with 7 I am doing here. So I can write 7 9 times. So like this you have to write patterns. Okay, by observing these patterns to make our calculation easy, we can follow these patterns and write same as it is. Okay, this is also note down. Next we will see some more problems. Next problem is, observe the following pattern and answer the following questions. Okay, here they have given one pattern. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is equal to 15. Next 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, that is equal to 20. Next 6 plus 7, that is equal to 25 they have given. So the questions they have given is, by which number should we multiply? By which number should we multiply the middle number to get the sum? So by which number should we multiply multiply the middle number to get the sum. So observe this pattern here first. So what I have given, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Natural numbers, one by one adding natural numbers. I are getting here 15. After that, excluding this one, after that adding next 5 numbers. 2, 3, 4, 5. Next number 6. You are getting 20. After excluding this 2, starting with 3. So 3 plus 4 plus 5, continuing after 6, 7. 25 you are getting. Now, what is our question is, by which number should we multiply the middle number? See, in middle number, if you observe here 3, you are getting here 15, right? So, in 3 multiples, if you observe 3 into 5, 3 into 5 means 15. See this one, you are getting here 20. So if you multiply with 5, the middle one, you are getting 20. Okay, 4 into 5, 20. If you observe this one, 25. 25, where you get 25 in fifth table? 5 times. 5 times. That means 5 into 5. You get here 25 only. So what we are doing here, we are multiplying. If you multiply the middle number with 5, you are getting the result. Okay. So that pattern we have found out here. See, our question is this one only. Which number should we multiply the middle number to get the sum? The sum we are getting here. Something we have to multiply the middle number with some number. You are getting these results, right? So that number you have to say here. So obviously, so here we are multiplying with all the in all the patterns, in all these lines we are multiplying the middle number with 5 only. So here this answer is your 5. Okay, by which number should we multiply the middle number to get the sum? So with 5, if you multiply the middle one, 3 into 5, getting 15 result. 4 into 5, 20. Okay, so sum is 20 we are getting if you multiply with middle one with 5 only. Okay, that is your answer. Your answer is 5. See the next one. Write the row of the pattern which gives the sum as 25. Write the row of the pattern which gives the sum of 75. Which gives the sum of 75. So you have to get this result as 75. So you have to get this sum. By adding some numbers you are getting here 75. Okay, this pattern you have to write by observing this one. So from the first question, what we have learned, we have to multiply. If you multiply middle one with 5, you get the sum, right? So by multiplying middle one with 5, you are getting total sum. So if you middle number if you multiply with 5, you are getting this one. So fifth table. So by 5, see how much here? 5 ones, 5 5s, 15, right? So in fifth table, if you multiply with 15, you are getting with 70. You are getting 75. That means 15 5s are 75. So your answer they have given 75. We have to find out this pattern. The middle number, if you multiply middle number with 5, you get the sum. That we know from the first question. So if you divide the sum with 5, you get that middle number. So middle number I got. Next, before 2 numbers you have to write. After 2 numbers we have to write. So 15 after 16. After that 17. Okay. 15 before you get 14. Before 30. So your pattern is this one for this 75. So you get here 75. So for the sum, the pattern is the sum 75. The patterns number of the numbers we have to add is 13 to 17. 13, 40 plus 14 plus 15 plus 16 plus 17. Okay. See the next one. Can there be any row of the pattern which gives the sum as 92? So here you have to get the sum is equal to 92. Sum, you must get 92. So, in fifth table, if you observe, in fifth table, the multiples are 5 1 5, 5 2s 10, 5 3s 15. So, like that you will get 20, 25, 30, 35. That means if you observe here, ending number is 5 or 0. Either 5 or 0 you are getting throughout fifth table. So that means whenever you multiply with 5, you get the starting number 5 or 0. If you observe here, the sum is 92. With the first number, this is not 0 or not 5. Okay. There is no 0 and 5 here in the first number, in the first digit of this sum, 92. So this 92 will not come in our fifth table. So what is our question is, can there be any row of the pattern which gives the sum as 92? So this 92, this sum, this is not a multiple of 5. So there will be no pattern related to this sum in this pattern. Okay, we can't write any pattern for this number here. Okay, so what we can write here, can there be any row of the pattern which give the sum as 92? No. Okay, there can't be. Okay, we can't write. So we can't write any pattern for this sum, 92. Why? Because 92 is not a multiple of 5. Okay, this is not a multiple of 5. So we can't write any. We can't write any pattern. Okay, like that you have to understand the pattern, and after that you have to solve the given problems. Okay, if you see the next one, see, we will do some problems on magic square based on magic square. So, third, see this pattern. I am taking one pattern, 3 by 3. 3 by 3. This is a pattern of 3 by 3. 3, 3. Okay. So fill this one. What they have given? 9, 2, 5, 8. This is the pattern they have given. Okay, we have to find out the missing numbers here. Okay, observe here, 9, 2, and so any 3 numbers given. So if you observe this diagonal part, 3 numbers we know here. In this we know only 2 numbers. We can't do anything with these 2 numbers. Here also we can't do, but we can start with 3 numbers, that is diagonally. So add these numbers. So add these numbers, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. So 15 is our result. That means in any row, in horizontally or diagonally or vertically, if you add the remaining numbers, you will get 15 only. The result is 15 only. How can we say that? We can say that by observing this diagonal format. Diagonally, if you add all the numbers, you are getting 15. So definitely you will get 15 if you add these numbers. See this one, the remaining numbers plus. So 15, the sum will be 15, that we know. Here we know the remaining 2 numbers. 9 plus 2 means 11. 11 we know. So you are getting 15, right? So 15, our first number is 11. Remaining numbers, 15 minus 11, 4. So this number must be, so this number must be 4. Okay. So if you in that way you have to find out. If you see this one, so we will complete this one first. 8, 4. We have to find out this one. See, add this 8 plus 4, 12. 15 minus 12, 15 minus 12, 15 minus 12, 3. So your number is 3 here. Okay. See, next one. 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 means 14. 15 minus 14. 15 minus 14, 1. Okay. After that, see this one. 3 plus 5, 8. 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8, 7. See this one. 2. 2 plus 7, 4. 2 plus 7, 9. 15 minus 7 are getting 8. So here, yes, 7 plus 2, right, 9. You are getting 6. See. So like that you have to fill the remaining numbers by observing the pattern whatever they have given. That we have to find out easy way we have to find out first. Whether it is in addition format or subtraction, maybe sometimes you can get in multiplication format. Okay, if you multiply anything 8 into 1 or 8 into 2, that if you choose multiply, you get the sum as like that also you can get. So whatever it may be, we have to find out the pattern first. Here the pattern is we are adding 8 plus 5 plus 2 equal to 15. So from this you have to get each and every row 15. Check this one, 15 only. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 6, 15. This is also 15. This is also 15. This is also 15. So, and this diagonally we done, right? This also, this diagonally 4 plus 5, 9 plus 6, 15. So, in every format, in every horizontal row, in every horizontal way or vertical way or in diagonal way, you are getting 15 only. That is your pattern. So observing this pattern, we can fill the remaining numbers. And see the next one. 2, 5, 2, 15, 16. So here they have given one pattern. So this 4 by 4 they have given. Number says 2, 15, 16. In the next line 9, 12. After that 7, 10. In the next line. In the next line 14. And this 17. So like that they have given here. So here also we have to find out the missing numbers. For that to solve this one, we have to find out the pattern first. Here see any row, any horizontally or vertically, any row filled with all the numbers, that we have to check first. So if you observe here also, like in this problem, here also diagonally all the numbers they have given. First check these numbers. Add these numbers. 2 plus 12 plus 7 plus 17. So how much here? How much here? See, 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 plus 7, see 8, 38. Here you are getting 38. If you observe here, 38 you got. The sum is 38. From this what we can see? So in diagonally if you add all the numbers, you are getting 38. So you must get, if you add all the rows, that is horizontally, vertically, you have to get 38 only. Right? 38 only. 38. In all the way you have to get 38. That is our pattern here. So to get this, if you add all the numbers, you have to get 38. So if you add the remaining numbers, and that sum, if you subtract from this 38, you will get this missing number. See, for the first line I am doing 2 plus 15 plus 16. How much here? 15 plus 16, 31 plus 2, 33. So the sum must be 38. So 38 minus 33, you are getting 5. So 5. 38 minus 33, you are getting 5. Okay, you fill this one. After that, we will see this horizontal line. See, so this horizontal line I am writing, here I am writing, see, 5 plus 10 plus 17. Okay, how much? 27 plus 5, 32. 27 plus 5, 32. So the sum must be 38. So 38 minus 32, you get here 6. So this must be 6. Okay. And after filling this one, I will fill this line. See, 9 plus 12 plus 6. How much? 12 plus 9, 21 plus 6, 27. So this we have to subtract from 38. How much here? 1, 11. Your answer here is 11. After see this one, this line. 16 plus 11 plus 7. How much? 27 plus 7, 34. This must be subtracted from 38. Your answer is 4. Okay, if you see here this line. So 14 plus 4 plus 17. How much here? 7 plus 4, 21 plus 14. 21 plus 14, 5, 35. So this must be subtracted from 38. You get here 3. 3 you got here. Yes. Sixteen, 11, 7. Once again check this one. 16, 11. This is 27 plus 7, 34 and 4, right. Okay, see this one, check 15. Now I am doing this one. Okay, plus 3. How much here? 27 plus 3. 27 plus 3, 30. 38 minus 30, you get here 8. Okay, remaining here see, remaining this line, 14 plus 9 plus 2, 2 plus 9 plus 14, 11 plus 14, 26, 25. Okay, 38 minus 25, you get here 38 minus 25, 3, and this one 1, 13, right? So 13. Okay, like that you have to write all the missing numbers. So if you observe this one, 15 plus 12, so check, I am checking this line only. So 15 plus 12 plus 8 plus 3. See this one, 27 plus 8, 35 plus 3, 38. So our answer is correct. Okay, after filling this one, any line you can check to get to verify this answer. Okay, like that you have to fill all the numbers. Remaining you have some problems that you do your homework. Okay, thank you.